Alright, so we're back. And I've made a lot of progress. So, if you can't tell, we're masking the Supra for paint because I need to touch up some things to get registration. So I did the rust converter this morning and that's starting to go off. So all you do is apply it and then leave it for a whole bunch of time. So I'm going to leave it overnight because I need that to go off. It should probably go black if it's rusty. I did miss a step and I didn't wax and grease remover it before applying it, but whatever. I did, however, get all the surface rust off with a wire brush. And yeah, so that's that section. But I've done something good. So seeing as I've masked all the windows up, I'm not done with the wheel arches and stuff, but that's another problem. Before I do that, I've done something awesome. This is the best thing I've done in ages. Like, oh, I've done the car's eyes and you can't see it because it's a little bit bright, but oh, that's a bit better. Alright. Don't ask me why I think this is funny, I just do. Like, straight up, like, ka-chow. Oh, so if no one ever sees this car in masking other than like you 13 people that are watching this, just enjoy it for me because that was 5 minutes of my time not wasted in my opinion, and I love it. I think it's great. It's dumb but it works. So I'm gonna mask off the rest of the wheel arches. I'll mask off this whole front section so I can paint the bonnet that I need to blend back in. And I'll mask all underneath there so I don't get paint in the bay because the bay is actually not too bad. And mask up the back. And then yeah, I will basically blend this so it's actually mainly white rather than this choppy pile of crap we got going on. And then yeah, we will be one step closer to being able to register this fine specimen.
It's getting there.
And in relation to that, we're talking about this.
Oh, yeah.
All taped, ready to go, boys. So wiped it down with wax and grease remover, wiped off the rust converter, and we're ready to slap some paint on it. I've got my Mystic flap there so I can paint the bonnet bit and blend that. And we've used plastic as well. We've used masking tape. It's all fucking happening. We got Ricky, we got Franco. We got shit going on, so I'm gonna start painting. Before I do that though, let's have a quick run around of how garbage this looks. Oh yeah, take it in, garbage. But hot trash is about to get hotter, boys. Let's go. Paint prep with the boys.
Then waking arms, brother.
This is the gangbang I didn't know I needed.
Oh mate, I'm losing momentum quickly. So am I. Whoa.
We can tell he's been working on their fitness here. So
dude, I do like a whole
two cuties. I primed a fair bit of it, so it don't look like much yet, but we've got a layer of primer down on most of it. I'm only missing the driver's door and the driver's guard, but we've done most of the rest of it with the first layer of primer. I'll probably do another layer of primer, flatten it out a bit, and then start laying the white. Yeah, I haven't done these two yet, but good enough for now. Alright, so you would just see me laying some of primer layer 2 to some panels. So Probably on camera it doesn't look... I don't know what it looks like on camera really, actually. Let's find out. So this has had 1 and a bit layers on it, mainly because it's starting to flash, so I just touched it up because I don't care. White is white in this situation, my friends. So, as you can see, it's actually getting better. Even with the ISO down a little bit, it's not too bad. It is still a bit patchy. My main concern today was literally just getting these bare metal spots mainly covered. The rest of it I can blend with white paint, it's fine. I just want to get the bare metal sorted, seeing as the rust converted it. As you can see here, this quarter's getting heaps better. It's actually a bare metal spot just there, but you can't see it as much. It actually looks, this panel looks terrible on camera and looks better in person, which is terrifying. But yeah, as you can see, like the rear bumper is obviously patchy. That was pretty bad, like high key, not great. So we're gonna keep working on that, but I have enough white to fucking blend half Adelaide. So I'll probably just blend it with proper white. We'll see, who knows, we'll find out. There is a few runs in this panel, I don't know why, but this corner seems to get super duper like runny. And I have it on the other corner too, but I don't know. I'm not super upset. For the most part, there is peanuts amount of runs in this. But as you can see, like this bare metal spot is starting to go away, which is like the dream, because a week ago that was bare metal and it was a pain in the ass. So yeah, it's still patchy. Like, again, some of this looks worse on camera, some of it looks better. It's all hit and miss. We've done a few passes on these. So this looks worse in person, but it's blendable, I believe. The roof's starting to get there. And then, obviously the doors had a bit of a touch up. This fender's had a little bit of a touch up. And, yeah, but like from a distance, it's starting to look like a white Supra. I mean, the lighting in here is shocking for what you're looking at, but is what it is. So it's starting to look like a car. I'll start blending white paint later this week, and then we'll just deal with the bonnet last, as that's its own sort of nightmare. But yeah, so that's how we're going with this. Alright, so the ISO outside's a little bit high. However, I let it dry, and I haven't been here since. So let's have a look. Okay, actually it doesn't look too bad. A little bit patchy, but you do get that. Looks not too bad on camera too, but it's a little bit patchy, but it's dried a lot wider than it was. Yeah, nice. So there's still bits and pieces that need to be touched up, which is mainly what I'm probably going to do today. And then, like, this bumper is just, ugh. But it was pretty messed up. And then yeah, it's getting there. Not bad. So I'm gonna do some touch-ups. I probably won't film a lot of the touch-ups because I'm just gonna go over stuff that's sort of shining through for a minute before we do a complete coat, just to try and get those bits up to scratch before we go too far. And yeah, but it's getting there. It's starting to look like a Supra. Alright, so I've pretty much painted the car. It's as done as it's gonna get for now, which is like good enough. And pull it out in daylight, have a look, see any of the rough spots and do that. But you know, until then, here's a little sneak peek. But yeah, we'll have a proper look over the car when I finish painting it. I am going to paint the bonnet, but pretty much this is the last time you'll see it before it's like done. Oh yeah, apparently I can get on my bonnet that way. Oh yeah. Is that the spot? Is that where we're at?
I don't know how your camera works. Oh no, wrong way. It's too dark. Alright.
Do you know how to operate a camera, man?
Yeah.
I'm going on to.
Do we need to be like one of those like? You record. Fuck.
Oh, there's more light. Yes.
Killer. This is my Supra. So we put a front bar on, and as you can see from the light above, it's painted. This is the stupidest idea we've had in ages.
Best idea.
But yeah, so the Supra's painted. It's as wide as I am, and we're stoked on it. So I guess Ricky's here. Kane's obviously behind the lens, because that's kind of what happens when I end up in stupid positions like this.
Yes.
But like if you want to see more, comment, and subscribe to Kane's OnlyFans, and you can buy jars of farts for $1,000. So
It would really help fund my drift car.
thanks.